Hello, my guys and my dear students. Today I have come again with the next video of NCERT Physics Class 10 on electricity. Today's topic is Ohm's Law. Today we will deal with the Ohm's Law. I hope that all of you have watched the previous video in order to understand the correlation between the topics. It is necessary to watch all the videos. It is part 5. 4 videos have been made on this chapter, electricity. You will follow me also on Facebook. Nowadays I am putting my videos on Facebook. You may also like and share my videos. Subscribe my channel Hassan Parvez. You only write on YouTube Hassan Parvez and you will be in my channel. Therefore, I hope that all of you will boost up my courage to build videos on educational pattern. Now let us see Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? ओम का नियम इज साइंटिस्ट, उसने क्या नियम दिया है उसके बारे में हमको जानना है. As we know that resistance of a conductor depends on 4 things. First, length of the conductor, cross-sectional area of the conductor, and temperature of the conductor, and nature of material of the conductor. Ohm's observed that when the current passes through a conductor, then its magnitude depends on the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. Here AB is a conductor whose ends are A and B, and potential difference will be VA minus VB, i.e. VAB, V volt suppose. He made a law that if potential difference is larger, then the large current will flow through the conductor. If the potential difference is minimized, then minimum current will flow through the conductor. Then the flow of current depends, or magnitude of current passing through a conductor depends on the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. Just like water flows from higher level to lower level. If the sloping is high, then water will flow fast. If slope is very low, then water will flow at slow speed. Just like that, if there is difference in the levels are great, then the water will flow with a high speed. In the same manner, if the potential difference between the two ends is high, then the higher current will flow through the conductor. So the Ohm's law says that at constant temperature, here temperature is taken constant because क्यों दिया गया temperature constant? As resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the temperature. अगर कंडक्टर का टेम्परेचर बढ़ा दिया जाए तो रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा, घटा दिया जाए टेम्परेचर तो रेजिस्टेंस घट जाता है. R increases if temperature increases, R decreases if temperature decreases. So there will be difference, there will be effect on the potential difference between two ends. So the constant, the temperature of the conductor remains constant. At constant temperature, an electric current I flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the ends of the conductor. कंडक्टर का दो एंड है, दोनों के बीच पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जितना हाई होगा करंट बहेगा. इसके डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल का मतलब हुआ करंट ज्यादा बहेगा अगर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ज्यादा होगा, करंट का अमाउंट कम होगा जब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कम होगा. So this is the color. Now come to the mathematical Formulation of the Ohm's law. Let A is the conductor. Electric potential difference between the ends A and B will be VA minus VB, that is VAB. Let it be V volt. I is the current, electric current flowing. Then according to Ohm's law, I is proportional to V, directly proportional. If V increases, I increases. If V decreases, I decreases. So V is proportional. How? V is proportional to I, and V is equal to constant into I. Here constant. When sign of proportionality is omitted, then a constant is multiplied with the quantity. So here constant is resistance R. So V is equal to IR. This is Ohm's law. In short, it is a relation between electric potential, electric current and resistance. That is V is equal to IR. Ohm's relation is, Ohm formula is V is equal to IR. It is very useful. Here there are three variables V, I, R. Any two of them are given in a problem, then you can calculate the third one. Now, very important thing is how Ohm's law is verified. For this, we plot electric potential on the x-axis and corresponding current on the y-axis. After plotting these two variables on x and y-axis, V on x-axis and I on y-axis, we get a straight line. So when between any two variables a graph is drawn and you get a straight line, then this shows that there is direct relationship between two variables. Here variables are V and I. So V is proportional to I or I is proportional to V. In this way, Ohm's law is verified. Now let us see in the next video. Now let us see combination of resistors. Here we will know that there are two types of combination of resistors. Combination means arrangement of resistors or two or more than resistors in how many ways can be added together. There are two ways. Normally there are two ways of combining two or more resistors. First is combination in series and second is combination in parallel. Series, you know. Suppose that here two resistors are given. Then end to end connection in a long straight line is known as series combination. When like this is two parallel lines, one resistor is above and below. So these are parallel combination. So here we will see the arrangement of three resistors R1, R2, R3 in series like this. The terminals are A, B, C and D. R1, R2, R3. Here a cell of V volt is added in the circuit. Switch is on, so we will get current I through the circuit. Here two things are necessary to keep in mind. In series combination, I remains same. Current will be same for all R1, R2 and R3. But there will be distribution of potential for each resistors R1, R2 and R3. Because here are 1, 2, 3, 4 ends. Two ends combined for the first resistors from electric potential point of view. So V changes for all R. I remains constant. Now from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Let us see for R1. Potential difference is VA minus VB. Current is I. Therefore VA minus VB is equal to IR1 for R1. For R2 in the same manner, VB minus VC is equal to IR2. And for the third, VC minus VD is equal to IR3. When you will add up, then minus VB plus VB will be cancelled minus VC plus VC will be cancelled. You will be left behind VA minus VD is equal to, here I is taken common. So you will be in adding, you will have in the bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let we say this is the first equation. In place of R1, R2 and R3, we take a single resistor known as equivalent resistance. Here a separate circuit is given here. Its resistance is Re. So apply the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. For a single resistors, equivalent resistors Re, we can write VA minus VD. VA minus VD is equal to IRE. So from 1 and 2, left hand side of 1 and left hand side of 2 are equal. Therefore, right hand sides of both the equation are equal. The IRE is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. I get cancelled. We are left behind Re is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Means if three resistors are in series, so we get an equivalent resistor. Equivalent resistor means in place of three resistors we can use a single resistor known as equivalent resistor, which will function for all the three resistors in place. So we will get a single resistor, that is equivalent resistor, by adding or summing up all the resistors taken before. So in series combination we can find the equivalent resistor by adding the value of all resistors. That's all. We will see the parallel combination in the next video. Till then, watch and wait. Bye.